This demonstration right here is for the KLA P7. We're going to start off with, you got your monitor up here, the system itself, plus you have a standard in here. The PC and a keyboard. On the back of the system, you basically have your power and your video cable. Then you have your power supply for the unit, which gets plugged in here. And then you have your USB connection between here and here on the computer. Then you got your two keyboard and mice, and then you have your video cable for your monitor. So we're going to start off with, when you boot your computer up, you're going to go up to the home screen right here, and we're just going to go start with a health check right off the bat. We're going to make it check all the stuff. We're just going to hit execute, and then it's going to go through all the accesses and scans and force calibration on the system. Probably takes about 3 to 4 minutes for it to pass everything. While it's going through its checks, I'm going to show you that this is the standard that we'll be using. It says it's 1,000, but it's actually, on the box, it is 0.95 kilo angstroms. And this is what we'll be using to test the system with. That does come with the system too. Okay, if you look in here, you'll see it's moving the stage. Checking all the axes. See, everything's passing. All right. As you can see, everything passed. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to back out of here, and we're going to go to the profile icon. I'm going to put the standard in. Got to keep the door closed for all motions to happen. And you can see it's initializing the stage. comes up with this screen. Now I'm going to move this back a little. Alright, so I set this thing up so you can kind of see the whole screen as opposed to me moving it around. So we're going to go over here and make sure that you're on scan recipe. I'm going to use this R2000 P7 recipe name just because I wanted to scan it the whole length on that sample I put in there. And then what I'm going to do is go into the XY up here, click on that, hit focus, right now the head is coming down to get ready to focus, and you can see it's right there. So I'm going to move it around to show you that we're on that standard. And I'm going to click right here, which put it right there. And I'm going to, in fact, I'll move it a little bit more over. I should step up all the way across this whole piece right here. Hit start. And then on the screen right here, you should be able to see as you can see, there's your step down. It's going across your step back up. Alright, and then what we're going to do, we're going to bring this up over here. There should be another one over here. Level it, okay, and then we're going to take this one box, put it over here, take this box, move it over here, and then you're going to get your number over here, which is at 976, and this is at 9.95 angstroms. So same thing if I move it over here and move this one over, you're going to be right here at the 979, 977. And that is the whole pattern of what we scanned. I can even do it again. I will do it so we can take this whole thing and move it a little bit more over. And we scan from right here, so I'll even make it look clockwise. And move it a little bit more over. And just hit start. Oops, moved it too much. Cancel. And you see as we're scanning again. level it, and then $993 it's at. And you can see it's still the same step and everything. I mean, if I wanted to move things over, it would change this. Even if I went over the side over here, it all depends on where it's really at. And this says now it's 98.98. As you can see, it's running perfectly fine. And that is the end of the test.